This is an urgent message from the United States federal government and the President of the United States. At 4:27 and 32 seconds NASA's Center for Near-Earth Object Studies (CHEOS), in joint coordination with the United States Space Command, NORAD, the European Space Agency, and observatories on 6 continents, has confirmed the approach of an unclassified, non-natural, anomalous mass object of unknown origin. The object, designated Subject Delta 1 ESA-0, is currently inexplicable by any known astrophysical model. It does not reflect, absorb, or emit radiation consistent with any cataloged body. Its composition, propulsion mechanism, and origin are completely unknown. Approximate diameter, -380,000 kilometers, equivalent in surface area to the state of Montana. Velocity upon entry, estimated 2.110 kilometers per hour, exceeding any known natural impactor by a factor of several hundred. Impact is mathematically certain. Kinetic yield upon collision is calculated to exceed the structural integrity threshold of Earth's mantle and core. Scientists at NASA, MIT, and the Jet Propulsion Laboratory have concluded with 100% certainty that the resulting collision will trigger a complete and irreversible planetary fragmentation event. The Earth will not survive impact. All deflection, nuclear, and experimental countermeasures have been evaluated and unanimously determined to be non-viable. There is no solution. There is no evacuation. There is no ABELTER. This is a final notification. This message is transmitted by order of the President of the United States, the Secretary of Defense, and the NASA Administrator. We have chosen to release this information to the public in full transparency. There are no words adequate for this moment. We are grateful for every life lived, every connection made, and every moment of beauty this world has given us. Humanity has been extraordinary. We are sorry we could not protect you. Be with those you love. The Star-Spangled Banner will be played for the final time.